Hello, welcome back to my channel. As always, I used to talk about the flowers and my progress and the update I always used to give about my gardens. So let's go and let me share you how was going my gardens work. And if you wanted to see my update, the process what I do, and if you want to see my gardens, please subscribe. And if you think I'm doing my best, trying my best, please give me a like. And if you have any things to tell me or advise me, please comment down. So let's go. These are my geraniums and they are blooming so well. It's the second time. First, they have grown and they have spent their life, and now they are again blooming. See how beautifully they are blooming, and they have just spent their life. This double geranium never produce not producing seed. They just end up like this. And this are another one. And these are all the saplings of geraniums. And at this side, it's been almost 2 to 3 weeks blooming like this. See, and these are ivy geraniums. They've also finished their flowerings. And this is another same like that. I have made from the single plant so many like saplings like this, and all these ivy geraniums are also the same. See, these are about bloomings, and I think these are also the same, just like that flowers. I made this from the cuttings from the same single plant. And these are calendula's, and I have 4 colors. I have 2 lines of carnations, and I think they will bloom after on the end of this month, I think so. And these are another my ivy plant, and these are the strawberries, and these are small dwarf varieties of this plant. I am not that. What is dahlia? No. What is the name of this plant? And strawberries. Oh, flowers are coming. These are the dwarf varieties. I don't know the name of this plant. Chrysanthemum. Oh man, this I can't pronounce it well. This much. And going to this part. This is my primula. I have 2 colors, pink and white are blooming so well. I put 4 plants in one pot, and they are very packed. I think I should transplant some plants to another pot. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4, and these are all the geraniums I have done cuttings, and they're all grown well. And this is another I used to grow like this from the cuttings, and I used to propagate. I used to transfer in the pot. I think they had developed their roots. They look so healthy. And these are the what's in. I don't know the name. I have made this standard two colors. This is white, and this is the red one. So easy to make like this standard. Just try it, and if you have just this wire, just make it like this. It blooms so well. They stay forever. In this pot, I tried to make the center point, but because I don't have that much flowers and pot, they don't look that much beautiful. This is the camellia plant, and these are my red cactus plant, and these are daffodils which I've grown from the bulb, azaleas. These are the mother plant of carnations, and this is the large carnations. Azaleas, carnations. No, camellia is almost about to bloom, and see, these just end up their flowers. I don't know why they haven't just bloomed well. And these are my marigolds, which I have grown on the seed. This is the large varieties. I wanted to transfer somewhere here. And these are my bougainvilleas, which I have grown from the cuttings, and I think they are ready to transplant. And these are my what? I don't know why I always used to forget the name. Oh, Astamaria lily. Oh, see, red are coming. Azaleas. These are my geraniums, hybrid geraniums, but because I stay in a hot temperatures place, they bloom different from the other. But when I brought this plant, they have just like these flowers, and see, these are just blooming like this. And size is also so small compared with cooler place. Here they bloom so different from. It depends on the place where stay, but I like the way they blooms. This is my hanging plant. I read this name. This is known as I don't know, but I had kept this name. This is a pea plant, hanging plant. This is a banana plant, and this is just my cactus out here. And this is another one. They blooms in this type of flowers. And these are my fishes. Gardens of fishes. I just gave this dry leaf. To this pot, these are the geraniums. Gardens of geranium. See, I did all the cuttings from these mothers, and they are giving new plants, and these cutted plants also giving a beautiful flowers. Let me show you. See, I just wanted to let them grow big and fill the ground with the geraniums and mix with the colors. This is my bougainvilleas. I have shown you. They used to bloom long durations. It's been almost a month, I think, and they are still in the same color and so fresh. And this is another one. I don't know what is the color of this. I think red, but this might be the single patterns. This is trouble, and this is my breathing heart plant. Another one, and this is the what's the hybrid ficus plant. Another breathing heart. Another, and these are amethyst orange colors, and I will try to fill up all this place. I'm on the way process. And at this plant, in this pot, I planted this amethyst normal red plant that point to that point, how much it will look after they grow so well and blooms here that side to that point. I'm eagerly waiting for the summer seasons because they bloom at the rainy seasons. These are the saplings, ivy plant saplings, and this is hydrangea saplings. I have that much only. My ficus plant which I propagated from cuttings, and I don't know what is the name of this plant. I think this is also the plant which is a great planter for the hangers. And these are all my cactus plant, pink, red, and white. It might be the end of this video by showing my calendars. So let me show you some calendars on my gardens. Okay, I have made the details video of the calendars. If you want to, please visit to my channels and go through it. I have made all the details how I propagate with experience. Because I did all by myself from the single cuttings. I have only two varieties, red, and you can see this is the white one, and I just grow them from the cutting like this. These are the baby saplings, and they turn into just a big plant like this. They are the easiest plant and the winter best plant which blooms so beautiful in the winters. So with that, thank you so much for staying till the end, and keep watching my videos. Give me a like if you like my contents, and if you wanted to see the progress of my gardens, how I do my works, and if you want to see the updates of my garden, please subscribe my channel. Love you all. Bye. Thank you.